I'm going to show how to create a key points dataset in Neural Marker platform. I shall also demonstrate how to use an AI model to pre-label your datasets to speed up annotation process. The first step is to create an account on Neural Marker by visiting neuralmarker.ai. Once you log into your account, this is how your homepage will look like. As you can see, there are no datasets right now. So let's create first dataset by clicking on this button. Let's give our dataset a name. We can add descriptions for annotations. Let's keep it simple for now. Category type refers to the kind of annotations you want to make on your images. For example, for object detection, you will make rectangle. Sometimes polygon, you will make segmentation for segmentation problem. You will choose OCR if you are working with an optical character recognition problem. In our case, since we will be working with key points, so we choose key points. Categories refers to the names of the objects that you are going to label. Since we will be marking all the points on the face, I already have this category called face. I'm gonna choose that. The next is the most interesting part, is the models. Neural Marker platform has some pre-built public models that you can use for labeling your datasets. For example, here we have two key points dataset, face 68 and face 85, which will mark key points on the face. So I am choosing face 68 to mark my dataset. Now the final step is to add data. We can add data via Google Drive, via a CSV file, or a direct upload from your computer. So I am going to choose direct upload. So let's just drag few images here. So once we complete this process, our first dataset will be created. So as you can see, the facial landmark demo, that was a name that we had given to our dataset. We can see when it was created, what categories are there, and it shows 0 out of 11 images are annotated because we have not started the annotation process yet. If we want, we can share the dataset with more people in our team by clicking on share button here. So we can share with a large team, and all of the members in the team can do the annotations in parallel. Now we can click on this annotate button to start annotating. So on clicking on annotate, it will land us on our powerful image editor. You can see a few things here. So you can see that the model has already marked the face in this image. What we can do is, rather than marking all these points manually, we can just fix the points where the model has made the mistake. This will reduce the labeling time drastically, especially for key point annotations that takes a lot of time. This can save a drastic amount of time for annotation process. And once we are happy with the fixes, we can click on save, or we can go to the next image by clicking on this arrow. So I can keep saving. Let me save this as well. I don't necessarily need to save this. So let me just quit here and let me go back to the home page and see that now 2 out of 11 images have been marked as annotated. And if you want to preview the dataset, we can click on this preview button. This will show us the whole dataset in more easy to browse sort of manner, and we can see the dataset here. You can also click on this button here called view stats. That will show you some of the stats around the dataset, more basic analytics like how much time per annotations is being spent by each individual annotator, and also on an average how much is it done, when was it created, and other details which can be very useful while managing a team.